those little sparklers over there.
Blow off a lot of smoke.
Those little sparklers.
Blow off a lot of smoke.
Look, you can see the heck of a smoke on this camera. And you see little ghost heads over there.
What?
With the freaking smoke and the guys and the girl that's on the truck on the camera look like they little ghosts.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
They definitely look like the little ghosts. You see that, right? Look at that. That is freaking awesome.
All right, let's.
Now let's go. Come on, the lights is off. Where is the first loud bang bang? You might just go live. Just go live right now. Just click the button and start talking. Your mama and your mama.
We're here at the original Montage Mountain.
That's what I said. Just talk. What the hell? Shoot, we waiting for these daggone fireworks to go. Let's go.
I know.
Let's get this thing going. The light went out. That means, okay, we ready. Oh, God, look at this. Damo, you're live. My phone just told me. Look. The phone just told me. Okay, so,
Oh, Lord.
It's not even doing anything yet. The lights went out. Where's the first test run? Look, they doing the little sparkly things over there in the distance.
They're trying to give them a signal. Like,
there we go.
No.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
God damn.
Oh, get out the car. Out the car. Oh.
Let's get out of the car.
Oh. Oh. Whose dog is that? Someone's dog got loose. Woo! There we go. Sugar! Look at this.
I thought he was
Holy
attacked
moly.
by a dog.
Woo!
Yeah.
Look at that.
Last week.
Look at that. Look. What, that one was a dud. There we go.
That was sparkling.
But it's a dud though.
Maybe.
Ooh. Look at that. Hey. I wonder if Zenny's on there. He ran that way. Yes, I ran off. Which way did he go?
You gotta find your dog.
Find your dog. I don't know where your dog went.
That's why you keep the dog on a leash.
Yeah, that dog was booking.
That dog's booking.
Well, you should
Scared.
kept him on a leash.
I know. That's all.
That too.
All I saw was like, zoom.
Yeah, I thought it was a bear. I was like ready to jump on the car. Like, damn.
Oh.
Oh.
Woo.
Should've never told the dog to.
Exactly.
No,
Never.
Dogs still not allowed.
Never.
No offense.
Hopefully she find them.
I know.
Because as of right now, you ain't going to find nothing. It's too dark.
Get security to help you.
That's your flaw. Brought a dog to a fireworks.
Well, dogs don't like loud noise.
They don't.
They have ears that are so
Sensitive. Extremely sensitive.
like
Whoa.
they hear how we hear it. It's
Yep.
a lot worse for dogs. It amplifies it.
Yes, it does. There we go.
100%.
Watch.
Yep. Damn.
There's
That
another
dude's
one.
Probably booking it to a
Asshole,
highway.
your fucking lights. Turn them off.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Turn your lights off.
Why your lights is on?
God damn. Friggin' assholes.
Ooh, that was perfect. Holy moly, that was awesome. Holy moly. Oh shit. Watch, here we go.
Bam.
Ooh,
I can't wait until the finale.
I know the finale is
Guys
gonna be the
awesome
one.
on your video. Everybody boy be commenting on that shit.
Holy moly.
Ooh, blue. Pretty.
Woo! Yeah, that dog is definitely gone now.
Hopefully she's fine.
Holy moly. Wow. We're actually in a good spot then. This is actually a good spot. Because it's literally right in the middle.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Nice. Oh, that was pretty.
Oh, you saw the wings? You saw the
Yeah.
wings on that one, yo?
That one too. I like that. When I was, ooh, my foot slipped. That one looked like a
Oh, the
chandelier.
wings.
Hopefully you find your dog.
I hope so. That's just round one. Round two. Wow.
That was a big one.
God, that one's shooting. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Yo.
I like those.
Yo.
Uh-oh.
Oh, 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 oh. Holy moly. Blinding. Holy moly.
You gotta get every single one.
Holy snap. Yo. My angle is right on point. Holy moly. There we go. Ooh. There we go, there we go. There's even a plane flying above.
Playing with his probably like,
Oh, it's a drone? So someone got the drone flying above.
no, that's a plane. Bro.
No, it's a drone. That's definitely a drone. Looked like a plane to me. But then I was like, yeah, it's a drone. Okay, somebody's playing. They must be videotaping it. With it.
Yeah, probably like up higher.
Oh!
Pretty.
Snappy. Look at that. Look.
Oh, shit.
Yo.
Yo.
Holy snap.
Oh, yeah.
That is freaking amazing, yo. Woo! Yeah, I got that one too. Holy shit. I got a good angle. Ooh.
Oh,
Yo.
that was nice. I like how that one changed.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, that was awesome.
That snuck in.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yo. That red drone trying to get closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better run.
Don't get too close.
Because the green one was literally right on top of it, though.
Yeah, you don't want those to get freaking hit.
The green one was literally on top of it.
Yeah.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
They probably gonna last even.
Wow. Oh. Yo. Duds. You see them? There's some duds. Ooh, there we go, there we go. Hey. Snuck in.
Yeah.
That was cool. That was a cool one. Holy moly. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look. Let's go. Ooh, sparklers. I love them. I love the way you do that. That color is amazing. Holy moly. Oh, shit. Yo. Oh, yeah. Next year, Zenny and them probably going to want to come up here for the fireworks.
Yeah.
Definitely. After seeing this, holy moly. Oh shit. Yo. It's not the finale yet. It's almost. Yo. Ooh. Woo. That was nice. Oh, yes, yes. Wow. Oh. Sneak in. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh. I'm glad we're not that close up, because you see all that smoke? Holy moly.
Oh.
Your eyes will be burning. Just from that.
No, you really smell like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh. Yo. Yes. Hey. Look at that. Woo! That was nice.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
It is, ain't it?
But that was nice last night. Something.
I guess they use less.
Especially when there's so much going on in Montage.
Yeah.
Look at the sparks fly over there. Holy moly.
Yup. I remember my mom was a little too close and one of the sparks burned a hole through her jacket.
Damn.
The 1 year, yeah. I was
Look
like,
at this.
oh my
Look
God.
at the sparks. Holy shit, that shit flying. The sparks is flying.
Yeah.
Damn.
I felt like she got burned. I was
Who's
like,
putting
oh my
everything?
Shit. At least you could see the sparks
God.
and the ashes flowing. At least you could see them.
This is like one of the best fireworks.
Wow. Holy moly.
That's the first fireworks last year. Was
The Rest in Fear is not that bad, though. They're not that bad.
this is better than it was last year.
I bet it is.
Last year, though.
Last year they shot off 3 big fireballs at the start.
Are you serious?
I'm scared that
Oh my god.
We were on the stairs.
Oh damn.
And I jumped back and I almost fell backwards.
Not
I'm
good.
like,
Not good at all.
yeah, I feel me giving your girlfriend a
They canceled Danbury's last year.
No way.
I don't know, they canceled that at the last minute.
Oh yeah, they did. That's right, they did. I seen
They
that.
didn't
Look at
even
that
have the
shit.
festival or nothing.
Woo.
Probably so many issues.
Oh god, look at that.
They
Look,
always
look,
get
look
rid
at
of-
the
they do
look
it for so
at this
long, they
shit.
always get rid of stuff
Ooh.
that's in that house.
Yeah.
Whoa. Woo.
Up. Everybody thought that was the end.
No, that was not the finale.
2 seconds.
That's not the finale. I know that's not the finale.
Nah.
We're only 14 minutes in. It's not there yet.
Last night's was a half an hour.
They're all half an hour.
That's why I said we ain't even in there yet.
So. I didn't know that. Ooh, smell that gunpowder. Mm.
Yeah, it's starting to spread.
Doesn't it smell good?
That's a good one.
You can tell I was freaking fucking girl. You smell that gunpowder.
Woo! There we go. There we go. Yeah.
Hey.
That's what we came for. Yes. Woo! Give us our bang. Give us those bangs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Keep it going. Keep it
Woo! Don't tell me that's it. That better not be it. Are you fucking kidding me? That's it? No, that better not be it.
That was it.
That no. Fuck. Hell no. Come the fuck on. No, you gotta be fucking kidding me. That's it?
That was it?
What the fuck? 15 minutes in and it's over.
That was it?
Yeah, it's over.
It's even a half an hour.
It's over. It's over. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It's over. It is over.
I would expect there to be more.
God damn it. God damn it. God damn it.
But they kind of like shut them off all at once. Type thing.
Woo!
I'm trying to get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, everybody's like zoom, zoom, zoom.
It's time to zoom out of here too. Woo! What's up, guys? Holy moly.
Lay off
That
your horn already.
God damn, that was some
no.
shit. Alright guys, see you later. Peace.